Well, this is pretty cool. We're having a, it's like a bicycle pathway, roadway, up here along Arbor Vitae, up through the ConRAC up to, all the way up to La Cienega, it looks like. You see the road widening project is still making progress. They've got all that filled in with asphalt and all this landscaping that's been done before. But this will be so much nicer. If you're familiar with this street, it's pretty bad right now, as well as the roadways in need of repaving. It's probably been over 10 years, I would say. I don't know. See, they've paved more concrete up through over off of Aviation over by the ITF East. Sorry, sometimes it's hard to remember. ITF East, West, ConRAC, LAX, Metro, Airport Connector. It's a lot of names to remember. And just when you think we've run out of land here over by LAX, I mean, there's still more possibilities of things to come. A lot of land over here. It could be used for parking or something else. But so you have to consider there's going to be a lot more land over here, as well as over by Arbor Vitae, where all the temporary rental facilities are until they are moving their location over. See, the last time I was here, they were doing a lot of concrete casting and things, like planners. So you can see we're still making some progress here, not quite complete. So I'm sure we're shooting for a target date of 2024, so this will be in line with Metro's end, which just right across the street here from Aviation. See, this walkway is finished up, and then there's going to be more to come in the future. Some more of this widening project here at the corner of Aviation and Arbor V. And you can see across the way, heading towards LAX, more road widening up through here. You can see this is going to look really nice, similar to probably the LAX economy parking area. It kind of gives me that same type of feel with like the landscaping and the whole structures. But this is a much larger parking structure, huge. Interesting choice they put here with these large pebbles over here in the corner of ISIS and Arbor V. It's crazy to think not too long ago, this used to be a neighborhood people used to live and work, and I believe there was a school around here too. But yeah, I can kind of remember, it was maybe the last time I remember seeing signs of apartments and things was maybe about 2018, 2017. It's kind of hard to remember, but somewhere in about that time period, you know, at least 5 years ago. It's going up La Cienega to the 405 on-ramp. Man, hopefully they finish this up before anything else, because this traffic is not great. Especially later in the day around LAX.